how to add gallery page to your website on WordPress. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to WordPress dashboard, go to the pages here and click add all pages here. Click on all pages, click add new page and wait a few seconds until it take you right here. Now choose here the first one, gallery, click on it, and now as you can see you can edit the text, the title of the page, and you can change all those informations as you can see easily and fast. After you finish, click publish and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.